After I learned this recipe, there are no more carrots left at home. On a board, cut 300 g of carrots into slices. The orange color will brighten up your kitchen. Now, add in the blender 3 units of eggs, 100 milliliters of sunflower oil, 200 g of sugar and chopped carrots. Let beat for 2 minutes. And don't forget to add 250 milliliters of milk. And reserve. In a glass bowl, add 300 g of fine corn flour and 100 milliliters of water. Mix well and make everything beautiful. Now, pour this mixture into the blender where the other ingredients wait. Beat the salt and beat for another 2 minutes. The smell is already great. Soon after, add a tablespoon of baking powder and beat for another 2 minutes. What's better than light and fluffy cake batter? In a form greased with oil and corn flour, pour the mixture and bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 40 minutes. The magic is about to happen. And ready. Look at that perfection. I got the mouth watering, and you? Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and comment on your opinion about this divine cake. Bon appetit and see you next culinary adventure.